Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shubham Academy. In this video we are going to see the importance of bar bending schedule. Let's begin. Bar bending schedule is a list of reinforcement bars in a tabular form giving the particulars of bars, the shape of bending with sketches, length of each, total length and total weight. Usually, for each type of REC work, a schedule of bars is usually prepared. With the help of BBS, the requirements of different sizes and lengths of bars may be known and may be arranged and bent up during the time of construction. It gives information about particular of size and type of bars, the shape of bending with a sketch if any, number of sets or numbers of bars of each set, length of each and total length in running meter, weight per unit length and total weight. BBS should contain the following details: description of bar, shape and bending dimension, numbers of bar same types, length of bar, the total length of the bar, diameter of bar, weight. Total weight uses of BBS are: it helps to determine the total quantity of steel needed for the construction of a structure. Also, it helps to quote the cost acquired by steel for tender. BBS helps to determine the cutting length and bending length of reinforcement, which helps to improve construction quality and minimize steel wastage, makes construction economical. BBS allow cutting and bending of reinforcement at the factory and transported to the site. It allows for faster construction and reduces construction cost. For site engineers, it becomes clear to verify the cutting length and bending length of the reinforcement before placing the concrete. There are a lot of bar bending schedule software available on internet, but most people use Excel worksheets. If consultant is preparing the bar bending schedule, then it is structural engineer responsibility to check the bar bending schedule that whether it comply with his design or not before submitting. Tolerance for cutting and bending dimensions should be taken into account while preparing bar bending schedule. Dimensions for bent bar should be out-to-out dimensions. Advantages of bar bending schedule in construction are: provides better estimation of reinforcement used in each structural concrete member. You can also calculate the overall reinforcement required for the construction project. It helps engineer in the procurement of reinforcement steel and better stock management. Bar bending schedule provides exact estimated quantity required. So, at a construction site, wastage can be controlled by careful supervising of the contractor with the help of bar bending schedule. Bar bending schedule makes cutting, bending of reinforcement easier at a factory and can be directly transported to the construction site. This will not only reduce the wastage of reinforcement steel but also help us reduce labor cost, though it helping in reducing the overall cost of the construction project. This helps site engineer or quality inspector to check and approve reinforcement work with better quality control. Billing can be done really fast and easy using bar bending schedule. It also makes easy for clients to approve bills for payment. Hope you have understood the importance of bar bending schedule. Subscribe to our channel to get notification of our latest videos. Do like and comment to our videos. Also press the bell icon to never miss an update.